Richard Radke here. Today I'm going to do a multiple income funnel review and the costs of it. So be sure and watch this video to the end to get the whole total picture. Now, before we get to the cost, let me show you what all you get with those costs. First of all, you go and you get, look at all the links you get, all the capture pages that you get with this. Well, basically each link is it's attached to a capture page, and you can use as many as you want, one or more. I use more than one depending where I'm sending it to. Then you get all this training. It's all included with you. You get weekly training. Then you get marketing system training, which shows you how you can improve all your marketing and all that, which is a great advantage. And then you go into you also get 7-step training, which first of all lesson is work on you, which means works on your personality. Then you get lesson 2, shows you where and how to get traffic. Then you get lesson 3, follow-up. 4 is YouTube, Facebook, and how to block time to do this opportunity, and a bunch more bonuses. And then you go back in again, and you see all the leads that you get once you start marketing this thing. Look at all the leads. And you get an email with each one of them, so you can follow up with them and give them more information and give them your contact information. And the company also follows up to help you promote the thing. Then if you go to the leaderboard, it shows you who's the top people on the leaderboard. Then you go to resources, excuse me, which gives you sample follow-up emails that you can use. You can use these or you can use your own, whatever you do. But you should follow up with people to give them more information and ask them questions and so on. Then if you click on My Business, it shows you all the businesses you have. And if you click on Bonus Income Streams, this is at number 5. There's 4 altogether in the main system. And then this, number 5, is a bonus, which is one I use. You get 100 leads a day for $1 a day. So at the end of the month, you have 3,000 leads, which you can email every day, and I do, and that's all included in that system. So that's a heck of a deal for that kind of money. And then you go back into the system again, and then that's about all the advantages and bonuses you get. Now I'll get to the, if you like all those advantages, now I'll get to the cost. First of all, you go to step number 1. It's a video that shows you the whole system and explains it. And if you decide that you want to join this, if you want to go monthly, it's normally $97, but right now they have it on a special for $49. And if somebody joins you under that, you make $20. Then you can also have a yearly plan, which is available for $350. This is the route I took, because you do save some money throughout the year. And if somebody joins you under that, you make a $200 commission. So I think that's a pretty good deal. And then there's step 2 and step 3, which you can put in whatever opportunity you want. And if you don't have any, you can use the ones I'm using. I got each one of them in there for under $10, and they're both good opportunities. Then you got step number 4, which is basically traffic authority, where you can get real good leads. And they've been in business for over 10 years, so there's some very good leads here. So I think that pretty well shows you the advantages and the costs. Well, traffic authority depends how many leads you get on the price. The more leads you get, the more it costs you, but of course they're cheaper per lead. Then I'm also going to put my contact information underneath here, and a link with the contact information, and it also, you can watch this video with that same link, and Matt does a very good job. It's a 21-minute video. He does a better job than I do. And then I'm also going to leave my other contact information where you can contact me if you got more questions. So I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So I hope you're having a good weekend and a good Sunday, and we'll talk to you another time.